Let's be honest. Starting keto can feel like you're swimming against the tide. You're changing the way you eat, you're adjusting your routines, and sometimes it feels like nobody around you really gets it. Maybe your family wonders why you're skipping the bread, or your friends tease you about giving up sugar. And that can make the journey harder than it has to be. But here's the thing. When you bring your loved ones into your goals, everything changes. Instead of feeling alone, you've got a team. Instead of awkward moments at dinner, you've got support and even curiosity. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to involve family and friends in your keto journey so you stay motivated, accountable, and inspired without making anyone feel pressured. Point number 1, share your why. First, let your family and friends know why you've chosen the ketogenic lifestyle. Maybe it's about losing weight, boosting your energy, improving health markers, or simply wanting to feel better every single day. When your loved ones understand the deeper reason behind your goals, they're much more likely to respect your choices and less likely to pressure you with temptations like bread baskets or birthday cake. This isn't about convincing them to go keto. It's about helping them see your vision so they can support you in ways that matter most. Point number 2, invite participation without pressure. Second, instead of pushing your lifestyle on others, invite them to join in small, fun ways. Maybe you cook a keto-friendly dinner once a week together, or share your favorite sugar-free dessert after family meals. Sometimes just offering them a taste of your recipes opens the door to curiosity without making anyone feel forced. When your loved ones feel included, they see your journey not as a restriction, but as a lifestyle shift that brings people together. And that sense of connection makes your consistency much easier. Point number 3, celebrate wins together. Third, involve your family and friends in celebrating your progress, big or small. Did you drop a clothing size? Share the excitement. Did you resist carb-filled temptations at a holiday party? Let them know. These little celebrations give your loved ones a chance to be proud of you, and they also remind you of how far you've come. And here's the bonus. The more your circle sees your positive changes, the more they'll want to support you and sometimes even join you. So remember, share your why, invite participation without pressure, and celebrate wins together. Involving your loved ones isn't just about accountability. It's about creating a support system that makes your keto journey sustainable and joyful. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more keto tips, and share this video with someone who's on the journey with you. Because keto success is always better with support. See you in the next video.